everyone, this is Go-To Wonder here, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a reaction that was recommended in my comment section off of my Set Me Free reaction. It's Sons of Innocence. He told me to do the Formaldehyde EP, so there's 4 songs. I'm going to do one every day. I'm going to record them all now, but I'm going to put them out every day for you guys. Shooting for one reaction to 2 playthrough videos a day, so I'm going to try and keep up with that before I start my job. And then when I start my job, I'll put as many videos as I can for you guys. But other than that, I filmed this and then I recorded this, and it didn't record the audio for the song, so I've already heard it, but we're still going to do the reaction anyways, because why not. I checked, and other than one other person, no one else has done a reaction to this album, let alone this. Well, he did this song. He did 2 songs in the video, but yeah. So other than that, let's just get right into the video. And I moved my stuff around, so I moved my setup around. But this is Cheated Not Defeated by Sons of Innocence. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Just to make sure it's recording. I didn't know who they were before, but I looked them up. I found their Facebook. They're a South Australian scrap metal band. Never heard of a scrap metal band before. I might have, but they were founded in 2017, and the influences is Marilyn Manson, Cradle of Filth, which when I did listen to this initially, I did get a little bit of Danny Filth, Cradle of Filth, a little bit to it. So other than that, let's get right back into it.
I've been crushed, I've been cheated, bashed and stabbed but never defeated. Beads of blood from the thorn, unless I see your heart torn. What are you feeling? Little lies, my voodoo not exist time. Sacrifice yourself for me and myself. Can you turn away the shame you felt? I have lost all my love and the meaning of the white dove. With a heart tainted and shame, cause in the shadow I'm slain. I love your pain, it's a thrill. My excuse to say I feel. Now you'll sing your swan song with the hope that you belong. I've been crushed, I've been cheated, bashed and stabbed but never defeated. Beads of blood from the thorn, unless I see your heart torn. What are you filthy little lies? My voodoo not exist time. Sacrifice yourself for me and myself. Can you turn away the shame you felt? I have lost all my love and the meaning of the white dove. With a heart tainted and shame, lost in the shadow I'm slain. I love your pain, it's a thrill. My excuse to say I feel. Now you'll sing your swan song with the hope that you belong.
See, what I'm used to traditionally, the music I listen to, like like Motionless, and like I listen to metalcore, heavy metal, hard rock, some rap, basically just Eminem rap wise. But most of the time, the big part of the song is the breakdown, which this song doesn't. I guess it's just the type of breakdown this genre has, or the subgenre of metal has. Scrap metal, but let's get back into it. Okay, so that was much better second time listening to it. Sadly, I didn't get my initial reaction, because at first I didn't like it, but it grew on me. Yeah, other than that, I don't have pretty much anything else to say about this. It's alright. I mean, I'd listen to it if I had to, but I wouldn't put it over my favorite music, my favorite songs. But it's not bad. It's not bad. It's not the worst I've ever heard. But yeah, other than that, hope you guys liked the video. Hope you enjoyed it. My initial reaction. Other than that, I don't have anything to say. I already repeated that myself. But yeah. So if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more content like this, and you want to see game playthroughs, I also play games on this channel. That's mainly what my channel's about. I'm going to have links at the end of this video for my Resident Evil playthrough, my Devil May Cry playthrough, and my other reaction to Set Me Free, which is where this was recommended to me. Sorry. But yeah, other than that, I hope you guys have a good day, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.